How to get voice chat in Roblox. So open your browser and log into ROBLOX. Once you open the ROBLOX on the website, at the top right corner where you have the settings icon, click on that and then go to settings again. Now here we need to add the phone number, and once you have added the phone number, then you need to go to privacy and content restriction. Now here we have this communication tab, and here you will have the voice chat option where you just need to click on that and enable the microphone, and then open your Roblox player, and whatever the game you're playing, at the top right corner you can simply unmute yourself. So please hit the like and subscribe for more tutorials like this if this tutorial is helpful. Have a wonderful day.